September the 14th, 2020. Guys, you're looking at the 9 p.m. Eastern update. It's 10 p.m. Central Time. So 10 minutes ago, this update came out. And we got a storm with 100-mile-an-hour winds now, Cat 2 hurricane. And it's going to possibly come ashore at 110 miles an hour, according to some of the models. Now, what's strange, and again, it's been a strange year, is that two of our main models, and some of the other models to be exact, but the Navy model here in the purple has a storm looping up and then back and coming back into the Gulf of Mexico. Canadian model has it looping across South Carolina, then coming back down near the Bahamas, guys. If it gets in that area, it could also loop. So it's very strange, and you got the HWRF model just making a complete circle here. Anyway, it's one of those years. But again, we got the Navy model and the Canadian model showing this thing looping back down. Now, both of these models also, if you look at the Navy model, it has the storm continuing along the coast, coming up the Mississippi River, crossing Lake Pontchartrain, coming up near Jackson, Mississippi, and back over into Alabama, guys. The Canadian model is very similar to that. Comes up, catches across Lake Bourne, comes up just west of Hattiesburg. Again, both of these are very similar till they get to this point in northeast Alabama. And what we're dealing with is a high pressure system that's above this storm. And so as it fluctuates and pushes down, it's going to change the course of the storm. Again, very interesting changes. Guys, and this is what we got. We got a Cat 2 hurricane now. Again, now it's been 12 minutes. By tonight at 2 a.m. in the morning, a 110-mile-per-hour storm. Now, it doesn't have very far, about 5 miles an hour to go to Cat 3 here. 110-mile-per-hour storm Tuesday at 2 p.m. Okay? So it's going to be traveling very slow. Think about where it's at now. Right here, 8 p.m. By 2 a.m., which is 6 hours here. Then you go to 2 p.m. You got 12 more hours. It's still in the Gulf, guys. Barely coming ashore by Wednesday at 2 a.m. They're talking about it moving very slow. Now, it has slowed back down to 5 miles per hour, 988 millibars of pressure, and sustained winds at 100 miles per hour. Now, this is a peak storm surge forecast graphics. Not a lot have changed, and one of the reasons is because, if you'll notice, this has not been updated here since 4 p.m. Central. So that's been 4 hours ago. Right there. Just keep that in mind. And what you're dealing with, again, around from the mouth of the Mississippi River over Ocean Springs, 7 to 11 feet, 6.9 feet. From Ocean Springs to Dauphin Island, 4.7 feet across the rest of Alabama towards the Pensacola area. Now, in Lake Bourne itself, 7 to 11 feet. Again, hasn't changed much, 3 to 5 feet in Pontchartrain and Mariposa. Let's take a quick look at the infrared satellite imaging. And you can see where the center of the rotation is south of Alabama right now. Again, it's heading west 5 miles an hour, very slow. So everywhere that's getting rain now, that's going to continue for a day or so. You're really going to have to watch this one. We are in a year of many changes. And guys, this thing has all the classic signatures of a lot of trouble. I just wanted to give you this heads up now. Again, 110 miles an hour coming up, and probably in the next update. We're watching it, guys. You can already see the rain band starting to come in along the panhandle all the way over into eastern Mississippi. Again, we're watching it. You watch it. It's a heads up. Be safe. This is going to be a very dangerous storm.